Well, the death cart is body work is finally done. The cage, side panels, my favorite, the fins, finally complete. Now it's time for the engine and the decals. And this thing will be done. Thank God. It's been a long project and I'm proud of the machine, and damn is this thing gonna be fast as fuck. But yep. It's been a long time coming. I'm sure you guys have been watching and following since the beginning know what this thing looked like when I started, and now that it looks like this, it's like, holy shit. It's absolutely phenomenal. But it's time for the engine now, and get her all put back together. Gotta do a little bit of paint touch up. There's a few scratches from working on it and a glob of red down there, but I got a whole gallon of green, which I've got paint out the ass. So I can always do a quick touch and go when it comes to putting this thing back together, so it's no big deal. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments, and like and subscribe if you want to see more projects like this. All you guys that been following me on this project will help my channel be able to produce more projects. And yeah, let me know what you guys think for graphics. I'm gonna post probably on my Facebook or my YouTube to see what graphics I might be putting on this thing, other than these two sets of decals right here that's gonna go on it, plus my wherever I put it. I've got the UNOH, this one's going on it, since the UNOH campus motorsports team did help me out. They gave me a couple decals to put on it, so it'll be UNOH branded.